Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be installing this half wig from ISEE Hair, basically doing the flip over method. So if you are interested in how I get this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so here's how the packaging comes, and like I said, this is their half wig. This is very popular. It's going viral all over TikTok right now, and it's basically you doing the flip over method, like the weaves, but easier. Like, it's the wig, you can take it off and on at night, and it's very low maintenance and makes for a great protective style. So this is how it comes, and this is the water wave in 22 inches. I love the construction of this hair. As you guys can see, it's really pretty water wave texture. And so here's the construction of it. It does have this one big attachment clip so that it doesn't go anywhere, and then it has the two side clips, this extra band for support, and I love that they added in the drawstring so that it's not loose and bulky in the back of your hair. This hair also comes with a wig cap, an extra, and a melt lace. So let's get into the installation for this. I did just put my actual real hair in 2 braids and crisscrossed it in the back, and then I have very minimal leave out in the front. And you want to do very minimal leave out because the point of this style is to look very natural and not to have too much hair left out to blend. So just go ahead and make sure I get those clips on really good. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pull the drawstring in the back. Just make sure it's tight. Nice and secure. This is what it looks like up close. So pretty. I love water wave texture, especially now that the spring/summer is coming up. This hair is going to be so pretty. So let's go ahead and do a quick blend. I'm just going to be using some Edge Fixer Max Hold from Kiss to lay down my edges, and then I'm just going to do like a little bit of water on the leave out and then just flip it over.
Like this, only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry.
Of course, I gotta do my baby hairs.
She don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well, huh? Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell.
You guys, so easy to install. Like, I love this hair from ISEE Hair. Like, so pretty, so beautiful. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and wet it a little bit. You could apply product to it. You could do like a curling cream, or you could do curl mousse. Curly hair, I usually don't recommend gel. I just feel like it makes it a little stiff, but if you do like a mousse or cream, highly recommend. But the curls out the box are so pretty. Like, if you wet it, this is what it's gonna dry to. Okay guys, and just for reference, this is what the hair looks like wet, combed through and detangled with only Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie in it. So that's the styler I use. So this is what the curls look like, and it had very minimal shedding. Like this hair barely even shed. So pretty and nice.
Now my picture to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Okay, and this is what it's looking like. I will of course have all the information on this hair linked in the description box for you guys, plus a discount code so you can save some money off of ISEE Hair's website. I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick, easy install. Make sure you get this hair for the summer because it is a must-have. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.